Okay, it's back for day 11 of the 28-day challenge. Today we're going to be working with some watercolor and the Graphitint using the sandpaper method that we've been using a little bit. So let's get started. So before we get started, I'm going to put some lines down with the Caran d'Ache White Neocolor 1 wax crayon. Just want some lines through here just to create a little bit of resist. Okay, let's start off. I've got my moppy brush here. Let's start off with a little bit of indigo and cerulean. Kind of just want this to be like that. I don't know. We're working vertical today too, which is kind of different. I always switch it up. I get stuck in my horizontal space a lot, so I thought we'd change it up. Let's get our craft knife out. Let's make some marks through here. Gently, you don't want to scratch your paper. Don't get too carried away. Might want a little darker through there. I'm sort of guessing what these colors are because my palette is very messy right now. So we're just gonna kind of play. Let's come in. I've got some of this is the brown from the Haze collection in Schmincke. And I'll put some more lines through here. I'm very liney today. Okay, I've switched up brushes a little bit here. The other one was holding way too much water, and it wasn't really laying down very well. And this one seems to be a little dry. And I wanted that to be just a little bit more bold. And I believe these are granulating colors. We're going to see. Okay, so let's get out our Graphitint. We've got a few colors here. I'm going to look at the upside down so we can see the colors. I'm going to start off with this, the cool brown or the chestnut. Maybe the cocoa. Let's try that. Is that the color I want? I'll start off with that one and see what happens. So we're just gonna, this is a little bit of a red tint to it. Neat. Love that. What other color should we use? I've got this blue. This might be nice too. Let's see how the Graphitints play with this technique. I think they should be really cool, actually. I might do some Aquapasto over top, maybe. We're going to get all crazy around here. Let's come in with our little tool here. So we don't want all the marks to be the same. Let's try. That's really red. I don't know why. Okay, these are not the colors that I thought they were. Oh, Lord. What have I done? I don't know. I think it'll be okay. It's not horrible. It's maybe not the colors that I would choose. I think I want a little bit more of a brown tone in here as well. And just for funsies, let me get a sheet of paper. Okay, so we're going to let this dry, and then we'll come back and see what's going on. Okay, I've got some watercolor here on the stamp. I'm just going to put it like, going to put it? I think I'm just going to put it like right through here. I don't know that I want the whole stamp. But then I don't think that's going to be enough to, okay. I was going to see if and we can still try it, but I don't think I think I chose the wrong color. But what happens if we, like, is that gonna stick to the paint? I don't think that's gonna work. It was just an idea. I don't know that it's gonna work though. But I do like the stamps. Let me give it another blow dry. Okay, I mixed up a little bit of the indigo with the Aquapasto. And I think I want to just kind of come down through here. Ooh, that's a bold line. Okay, where's my color shaper? Oh, I'll start the timer. I sort of like it. I feel like I kind of want it to, though. Let's, oh, dropping things. Let's see how much hair is on there. I kind of want to bring it up, like, through there. Yeah, I think that works. This is another layer. What if we came in with our, let some of that shine through there a little bit, some of that. My paper's kind of buckling today. I want it to come, I want it to come this way a little bit. I don't mind the lines, but I don't know if they added anything. I don't know if those stamps added anything, really. I mean, they're okay. It's maybe not my best. What if I'm gonna mix in a little bit of brown with that Aquapasto and the blue. See what happens. We're gonna get a really cool gray color, which might be nice. Maybe just like, oh, what's that big chunk? Ooh. Okay, that's not working. Yeah, that didn't really do much. But we might have to bring some of this down here a little bit. I'm kind of wanting to cover up this. Ooh, I like the black. That was a little, or dark gray. That's the haze with very little water in it. But I feel like I'm just making a mess today. Kind of got a little purple thing going on here. I feel like it's too, it needs some lines through here. I'm going to bring it down with the color shaper a little bit. Okay. I'm going to let this dry and then we'll come back and see where we're at. Okay, I laid down a little bit of water here. And this is called Storm. I kind of lost all my I feel like I can add just a little bit more. Oh, that's really pretty. Like a little bit more of that through there. And then maybe, I think I want some down here too. That's way too much water. That's the hardest thing I'm figuring out, is like how to gauge the water when I'm putting down these colors. It's almost like a pinky purpley kind of mix. I feel like I want some white through there. Okay, I'm gonna come in with just a little bit of this white Caran d'Ache crayon. I was gonna use gouache, but I think I'm just gonna use this crayon. It's pretty bold. I just wanted a little bit of white through there, and maybe a little bit down here in spots. This is a nice option because it doesn't blend in with, it's not water soluble, so it's not going to blend in with what we've got going on the layers below. It's just going to kind of, it doesn't smear anything, so it's kind of a nice alternative. Just a little bit of that color. Loving this. Like, love how that over top and how many layers we got going on. Let's add in probably some black marks. Let me find a little black sheet of paper here and my palette knife. I think I'm just gonna put some through here. They're probably gonna be pretty subtle. I don't want them to be too bold. I kind of want to do like some marks coming through here. I might be getting too complicated, maybe, I don't know. You know me, I never know when to stop. But we only have like 30 seconds left, so I'm gonna stop at some point. I think I want some through here just to make these lines make sense. Yeah, that's working. They were looking a little out of place. They weren't really blending in. And then the last thing I'm going to do is come back in with this. Oh, wrap time. I'm just going to come in with this cocoa color a little bit and just add in some, well, try to add in. That didn't work. We'll just do some lines, I think. I just wanted a bit more of that color through here. Okay. What else do we want to do? Anything else? I was going to put another line through there, but I kind of like how it just sort of like melds into there a little bit. And these Graphitints are very, they've got a little bit of sheen to them. So you can kind of see that on the paper here a little bit, where I've been coloring in a little bit more. But I like that. I like that sort of texture up there. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Okay, let's look at it with the matte. Okay, so this is it with the matte. I really like it. Like I wasn't, that was not the color that I thought it was gonna be. And that blue that made the purple wasn't really a color that I wanted either. But I think adding in that sort of, what was that? The storm kind of light purple really added some fun textures and brought that sort of around. I think the white was a good idea. I like the sky. I like the lines in the sky. The Aquapasto was fun. I don't think I got it thick enough, but it did what I wanted to do, was make another layer coming through and giving you this feeling of push-pull going back toward it. The stamps were okay. I think they added some texture, so that was nice. But overall, I like this section up here a lot. I think it really, yeah, I like it. And I love the Graphitint with the sandpaper. I don't think it's nearly as bold as the ink tints, which is obviously because it's not a bold color. They're not bold colors, but just the little bits of texture that you can see through there. I mean, I could see really building that up. It almost looks like spray paint a little bit, like I spray painted it on there. So that's kind of cool. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here for the next video tomorrow, day 12. Day 12. How exciting. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.